Good morning, my name is Chidimma Precious Ezema, popularly known as Tyler Berry for my makeup concept. I'm a student of University of Nigeria Theatre and Film Studies, and I'm a 400 level actually, and being in this department is actually a privilege to me because in line of what I do as a costume and a makeup artist, it has really helped me in my career, in what I love doing. What do I love doing? I love being a makeup artist, I love being a costumer, I love styling, I love fashion. And being in this department have actually given me a cue of doing things I love doing very well. How does it help me? Theater performances can help me make my dresses, see outside costumes and costumes that are out of the normal view. So actually, if I am to start saying about my field in costuming, extract of makeup, theatre and film studies have actually helped me having a creative mind thereby seeing what other people do, like looking at other universities, seeing their career, seeing their creative aspect. Example, University of Calabar is a university whereby where you go, you see out of creativity what students can do. Then seeing all those things, you bring them down to Nigeria, Nsukka, and you start creating those skills, and your fellow student got to learn from you because it's an everyday global stuff. It's something that it's not just for a day, it's continuous, and you make money from it. As a student, I can tell you that me being broke is just when I have some high token of money that some of my mates might not have. So it gives me money, and I dress well. It's kind of through my IQ of my dressing well. So this department have really helped me. And coming to the makeup aspect, in theater productions, we do makeup. And some of us who are not good in makeup, they learn, and from there they could extend it to making it their career, whereby they can make money out of school. They can make money, they can have it as their normal base career, where they can bring food to their table tomorrow, and for their children, maybe when they get married, they could extend it to a higher level where they can use it as a life career. And it's really interesting. It's loving whereby you see yourself working with a group of people, seeing money, seeing friends, meeting people, traveling, just to do something you love. It's really nice. So if I am to say I love what I do, I love my department, more especially the creative being the focus. They make you focus, you know what you're doing, and you actually stand up for it. And tomorrow you can boast of what you're doing, and it's really nice. So if you ask me, and also not just that, being in this department have made me have a keen eye for being a scriptwriter. What do I mean? When you look at the society, Nigeria for example, you look at the society, you got to see that things are not really moving well. Then you as a student, you could write something about your society, something that can change people around you, something that can make people around you become more focused than they used to be. This department can make you have an idea of what life could be about or is all about. Being a scriptwriter, you look at the geographical area, you look at your society, you look at your environment, and you interpret it in a written text. People read it, they understand what they're passing through, then they could amend their own life. So it's interesting, and you're not just doing it for free, you're doing it to make money. You make money from it, and it's so interesting when you're counting your dollars, you know. So thank you very much for this interview. I'm glad. Thank you.